Your Honda vehicle makes it easy to hear the sounds you want while you're on the road. The audio system operates when the ignition is either in the accessory or on position. If your vehicle has this touchscreen-equipped display audio, you turn it on and off with the power knob on the lower left and adjust volume by rotating it. To choose from among all the audio sources, select the source icon at the top. We'll listen to 89.1 on the FM band. Once we've touched FM from the source list, select Seek, Tune, or Scan icons to find 89.1. And once there, assign it a preset by touching and holding the desired preset icon on the screen until it beeps. This system allows up to 12 AM and FM presets. Select models are capable of receiving Sirius XM radio as well, complimentary for the first 3 months of ownership. Use the same procedure as above to set up to 12 Sirius XM presets.